Welcome to Diya's World. I have come for the Tapola lake and I have stayed one night here. Yay! It will going to be so much fun. I will play balls, I will go for boating and for some. And look at the clouds, how the clouds, see the clouds from bottom. Look at our hotel. We stayed next 2 days here. I like the hotel and look at the view. Wow! Wow. Look at the sunset. Oh, the mountains, clouds. We are above the clouds or what? So now, can you see some mountains and some, can you see that house type? That is our hotel. We will go to eat something there and not now, afterwards. So we can eat idli or poha or like that something because we are on hill, so we can't get any options. Yes, let's play. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 step, 2 step. Say hi, Rehu. So Rehu is my friend. Look at the view. The view is so nice. I like the view. Clouds. I think we are above the clouds. Mountains are higher than clouds. Wow. So look at the barbecue. We have fun the barbecue at night. Do you know barbecue? That barbecue that is. And some view and can you see that house type? That is our hotel. We will go there for some eat, but not now. So we are come that hotel. I am playing with my big sister Shriya and my uncle Pankaj uncle. So guys, I have come at Strawberry Farm. Look how my bag I bagged like this. Not back side. So let me see and how the Strawberry Farm it is. Guys, I'm plucking tomatoes around. Look how tiny cherry tomatoes there are. See, they're so cute. I love it. All. You see it? It's so cute. I want to eat it now, but I can't eat. I have to wash tomatoes first and wash my hands. I like to pluck cherry tomatoes or every vegetables from plants. Wow, there's so many like so many. So I'm at Strawberry Farm now. So guys, see how many chili are here. My friend Rihan is a one boy. He loves chili. He can eat all of this chili in 1 second, like that. He loves chili so much. Small, tiny, small baby. How they're so much cuter. So guys, I am going to do juice. So see you at juice shop. Bye. So I am at juice shop now. So I have buy this. Let's taste. I'll taste strawberry because I like strawberry. fun. Boating, it will be so much fun. I will show you. See.
गवर्नमेंट वाला नंबर
चलो फोटो करना कोई लगाई नहीं दिया उनको तुम्हारा पंकज आगे जाओ आगे खाली क्या
I'm entering at Monday, so I have come in first place Monday. So come on, let's see how the Monday it is. Come on, and let's enter the Monday. Scary Monday. There's my big sister. My big sister. Shriya. Look here.